If you're experiencing login failures on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check Internet connection. Ensure your PlayStation 5 is connected to the Internet. Go to Settings, Network, Test Internet Connection to verify connectivity. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your PS5 completely and unplug it for a minute. Then plug it back in and turn it on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest software. Go to Settings, System Software Update, and Settings to check for updates. Step 4. Reset password. If you suspect a password issue, reset your PlayStation Network password. Visit the PlayStation website or use the console to initiate a password reset. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists, reach out to PlayStation support for further assistance. They can provide more specific troubleshooting steps or identify if there are any service outages. By following these steps, you should be able to address the login failure issue on your PlayStation 5. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help.